Now that we have that out of the way, let's get started. So I'm going to click on new project and this will open up. So the first thing I want to do is to import a video. So you can import a video, an audio, or a photo by just clicking over here and then going to wherever your media file is and then selecting it, click open, and here we have it. Now there's a few functions I would like us to go through. So the first, we have this tabs at the top, and each one has its own menu. So from over here we have the library, run asset, spaces, import, and local. Now local houses all the local inputs that you'll make. So any file that you'll add over here will go under local, but I can as well create my own library if I want to. Then we have audio, and then under audio we have a wide variety of music that you can choose from and add to your clips. We have sound effects, extracted audios, TikTok, and some brand music, which you'll have to sign in order to access the last two. So basically we have all this for free, so you can just click over here, download, and then use them on your clips. Then you have texts. We have a lot of effects and templates, text templates that you can use on your clips as well. We have stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments. But for adjustments, you'll have to do it manually, so most of the time people tend to just leave it out. So you have all these at your fingertips that you can use while you're editing your clips. Now if you click on your clip just once, it will preview at the panel, so you can see we're having a preview of the video, and then at this end you can tell you at what time the video is at and the total duration of the video. We have the zoom icon over here, so you can zoom in or out of your video depending on your needs, and then you can actually scale it up and just view it as a full screen. And if you want to exit, just click on this and you'll exit. And here you have the play and pause function for it. Then at the end over here we have the details. So this is the name of your file, where it's saved, ratio, resolution, frame rate, and the proxy. That is if you've turned this on. Now if you want to create a timeline, all you have to do is click on it, or either click and drag it over here to your timeline, or just click on this plus icon and then it will add itself to your timeline. Now from here you can start editing your videos.